Hey guys, first of all, hi. I know it's been a really long time, and I haven't posted anything in a long time. Mainly just because my drone exploding in my camera bag and really messing up all my camera equipment. That had a big impact on my filming and everything because I didn't have a camera for a really long time. All my cameras were in there. But also, I've been really busy with my new job, and I can't wait to be able to now put together a video for you guys, kind of going through what I've been doing for the past few months here. But this is kind of just a PSA saying that I've cleaned up all my camera equipment finally, and now I'm going to be able to start making videos again. No more drone shots for a while. I got to save up to buy a new drone. But in the meantime, it's going to be fun putting out videos again about just day-to-day adventures and man, I'm really excited to be able to tell you guys about my new work. So stay tuned, and I hope everyone's staying safe and everyone's well and whatnot. I know these are crazy times and whatnot, but yeah. Thanks for tuning in, guys.